you haven't gotten any food long enough, or if you don't feed a dog long enough, I can guarantee you, say, anything you give a dog, you might go happy feet. 100%. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. So, why me start the video like that? I can explain to you. You are gone. Before me jump in, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I not waste the time. I jump straight tonight. I make you understand how this thing go, yeah? I get a lot of backlash for the review video I do today. A whole heap of backlash. Because people are say, people are cuss me, say stupid, this me attack, all that kind of something there. But I don't think that the persons who accosted me really look into the context of what I was saying. I said that where performance is concerned, it's a good look. But where the result is concerned, it's basically stupidness. That's unacceptable. Where the result is concerned, it's unacceptable. Now people are saying, you are going. And the coach first match, you know? The coach first match, can't expect him to change the one that's in 3 days. I want to listen to these people. And it's not me blaming the coach. I blame the team. The team I blame. This match will come up versus Honduras. It's going to be a big match. It's going to be a real test. Because even though we have had a good history record versus Honduras won't do what we saw Cuba did. I'm going to explain to you what Cuba did, and in the context, I'm going to explain to you why I said it's unacceptable. The result is unacceptable. And I'm going to tell you why, I'm going to explain to you how or why I think that Honduras game is going to be totally different from what we saw. One, let me make it clear. Cuba coming to Jamaica to play against the Jamaican team, they already know that they're coming against the toughest team in the Caribbean. They already know that. So in their mind, a success in this game is a draw. Anything but a loss. Anything but a loss is a success to them. Now, the Jamaica supporters are, apparently based off of many people I believe, a success in this game to them is having possession and kicking shots and goal. That is a success to them. To a lot of persons. Now, I think that nothing at all is wrong with your perception of success. The talk is, boy, yeah, we know that we never score because of poor finishing. But the team hold possession of the ball well. Boy, we never finish a game, we never scored a goal still. But me I see build up play. Boy, I know we never score still. But me I see patterns of play, me I see system of play. Lies. Lies. It's lie. Those are all lies. There's no definite pattern of play in the game or play. There's none. It was a collective set of players who generally have more qualities than the opponent. So they will control the ball in the half spaces. They will be able to pass the ball in the final third. They will be able to do a lot of things because generally they have more quality than the opponents. Secondly, when a game go to 10 man, 100%, that changes the whole dynamics again. So we must have more possession at that point in time. It's natural, so we're going to have more possession at that point in time. It's just natural. But we're going back down to, boy, we hold possession and all that kind of stuff. I say, what? I thought the end game of a football game is to score a goal. I'm going to jump on the statistics. That's what I thought, I thought the end game of a football match, where that is concerned, is about putting the ball in the back of the net. I honestly thought that was the case. Me depend so far score still. I thought that was the end game. Remember showing this, right? Listen to this. For the first half, we had a total of 8 shots for the first half. And what talk about in context, this is when they had 11 players, 11 v 11. 8 shots, and we created 2 big chances. Created 2 big chances. Now, in the second half, that's when we have the abundance of opportunities. Because now they're down to 10 man. One thing if you understand is this. Cuba came to defend because they want 1 point. Cuba calculated where they can get the points and then realized that, hey, we won't be able to get the points at the 3 points at Jamaica. So let's see if we can take at least 1. That is the reason why when we were doing the press conference, there was a big celebration in the Cuba room. It's not just because they finished the game with 10 man. No. It's the mere fact that they got the all-important point at Jamaica. Even if they know we nowhere else, they got that 1 point that they need. But guess what now, no? Supporters, I tell me, say me be happy because patterns are played. No. It's just we have a team with a lot of quality, so they will play the ball around. There's no necessarily pattern of play. If you go and watch back a game, you know, see one specific build-up, we said, them a do this or them a do that. There's no specific pattern here. So there's no system in place. As yet, the coach cannot instill a system in just 3 days. And secondly, even if a middle coach team with then the quality that we have on the pitch, me can guarantee you, say we will have more possession as well. Now, I understand that. The longer, if you have a dog at your house, and you know, feed him for 1 week, feed him for 1 week, if you give him 1 finger banana, if you give him 1 finger banana, you know, he might grab it up because he don't have nothing for so long. So we see the game, yeah, and because we don't see no pattern, because we don't see no passing and we don't see no possession, we just grab it up because of that we want to see. And because we're so hungry for it, we take it. But really and truly, what we should be hungry for is walking away with 3 points. No, I'm not here slating the coach and the team here slate. That should have been 3 points in the bag. That should have been 3 points in the bag. 100%. If we were playing against a better team, Lembikisa tired from about 30 minutes of the game. If we were playing against a better team, they would have targeted Lembikisa. Cuba tried it. But unfortunately, where quality is concerned, they just never have the quality to execute. Go and rewatch again. The amount of time aerial balls them get in behind Lembikisa. Unfortunately, Cuba just did not have the quality. We cannot go in a game and say, boy, because we are pass the ball, eventually things are going to get better. No, that's not necessarily the case. People are cussing me say because I want JPL ball and I squad, why me attack like this. That make no sense as well. That make no sense at all. I'm speaking based off what I'm seeing. And I'm saying at this present moment, it is very much the performance. Even if you're thinking in your head, say, boy, I will play a ball around. If man them play against 10 man, if defend them a pass the ball amongst each other nearly 40 million times, what do you think are going to happen? What do you think are going to happen? Ethan Pinnock had 97 touches. 97 touches. Damian Lowe had 70. Mr. Dexter Lembikisa, 81 touches. Amar Bell, 62. 62. The players that are going to make a difference. Demar Gray, 53. Bobby Reed, 67. Lati Bodier shoot 74. So the players that are definitely going to cause a problem. And Jamal Lowe had 21. These are all according to so far score. Mikel Antonio, 26 touches. So you see, we have a lot of possession, but we not put the ball in a dangerous place. Antonio had 2 shots on goal. Jamal Lowe had 3 shots. Let me see much shots. Bobby Reed have 4 shots. So show me a show now. Bobby Reed have 4 shots. Let me see what much DeMar Gray have. DeMar Gray have 3. So out of 21 shots, the whole entire front line only had 8. About between 8 and 9. Come on, people. You are going. It's my perspective. This game versus Honduras is going to be not as easy as the Cuba game. And if we can't put the ball line back in net, we are in trouble. We are in trouble. Because possibilities are we're not going to have so much possession. We might want to have possession. Even though we always have more possession when we play against Honduras. Not all the time, most times. But we generally not going to have so much possession. At the end of the day, we have to start putting the ball in the back end because that is what's important. That is what's important. I understand, say, a particular system not going to develop so quick. A system not going to develop so quick. But I strongly believe that if we don't start put the ball in the back end, we are in for some trouble. Pass the ball from now till next year, we're in trouble. Anyways, big test ahead for the Reggae Boyz team. Steve McLaren and the Reggae Boyz. Let's see if they can get this one over the line. Nothing less than 3 points. When you can cost me from now till next year about patterns of play. I love to talk about style of play now. I love to talk about them something there now. But the thing is, you don't see that. You don't like tell yourself so you don't see that. Because the man never pass on the ball. You don't see no patterns of play, nothing. You don't tell yourself so you don't see it. Would you feel like, say, over much years, much coach I try to develop one pattern and play with Jamaica. McLaren are coming in 3 days. All of a sudden, we are playing this inverted fullback and striker come drop deep. No, that's not the case. It was just some individual quality out on the pitch. Just the same again, like we always see. Over time, I try to play some ball. Yes, we pass around the ball, but that don't equate to a system. No. Go and rewatch a game and try to understand what a system of football is. It involves a lot of repetition. And if you watch about the game there, tell me how much repetition did you see? Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. As always, MJ Sports TV. You can't cost me all know. Big up on yourself, people. We're out. God bless. You know what I mean?